Look, today we have successfully retrofitted this anti-theft alarm system. We have locked the door now, and the siren is over here. You see, 3 connector, waterproof, original connector, and the siren is installed under here. Okay, if we unlock the door, we can hear double beep, and if we lock the door, we can hear a single beep, and the lights over here is blinking. You see, if in this alarm system, if you move your car or tilt your car, then the alarm will be triggered, and it will not be able to stop unless you press the original key. Okay, that's it. Let me show you how the alarm will trigger. Okay, now I will put the key aside. I leave the metal key. I put the key over here. Okay. Then we try to unlock the door. Whoa! At this time, we have to use a key to stop the siren. That's it. Thank you for watching.